Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now for this week's video, we are going to be doing a hair tutorial.
My heart is a ghost town. My heart is a ghost.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now for this week's video, we are going to be doing a hair tutorial. Now we are doing a hair tutorial this week because many people always are asking me like, oh, how do you do your hair? How do you get it with lots of volume? But yeah, many people just ask me like, how do you get your hair so perfect and in shape? And they just want to know how you do it. You guys are gonna find out today. Now I get this a lot from people at school. People are always like, oh my gosh, your hair looks so good. What do you do to it? What products do you use? Now what you guys are gonna need is obviously a blow dryer. Any blow dryer will do. The next thing you are going to need is obviously some hairspray. Any kind will do. Well, any one that you prefer, I guess. And you are gonna need some sort of pomade. Now this is my personal favorite, I guess. You will also be needing a round brush. Now you guys can get this at Sally's, CVS, Target, just wherever they sell, brushes and stuff. The first thing you want to do is make sure your hair is washed and is still kind of wet, I guess. I usually do it after I get out of the shower in the morning. Now what you guys are going to want to do is be sure that your hair has no product, no hairspray, nothing like that. Now I am gonna go wash my hair out and I'll be back shortly. So I am back after washing and conditioning my hair, and I did use the products I mentioned in my first video, the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo and conditioner. So be sure to check out my first video if you want to know more about the products. So now what you want to do is grab any comb and just comb out your hair.
Some more. We're gonna wet it, get it nice and moisturized. Ow, it's in my eye. So you're just gonna get it moisturized, and you're gonna take your comb and you're gonna just comb it out, and then, oh damn, that shit got some naps.
So now that you combed out your hair, you want to grab your round brush and your blow dryer and just blow your hair out until it is completely dry. So what I usually do is I grab my round brush and I grab my hair like this, and I wrap my hair around the brush, the front of the brush, and with my blow dryer I just blow it back. I guess I spin my hair back. So yeah, you just grab your brush and your blow dryer and you comb your hair back or to the side, whatever you prefer, and you just blow dry until your hair is completely dry. Now I am going to grab my blow dryer and start blow drying my hair. So now that your hair is fully dry, I did not put any product in my hair. I have not put anything in my hair. Just simply the technique I showed you guys of rolling your hair back. So now that your hair is dry, you want to grab your pomade and grab, I guess like a dime size or whatever, and you want to just spread it around your hand. Run your fingers just through your hair. Oh my gosh, have you guys watched the new Shane Dawson video about the TanCon? It's super crazy and like mind-blowing. You guys need to go and watch it. Like, it's so crazy how everything happened. Now, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's basically where Tana, I forgot her last name, Tana something, and I guess she was gonna host like a VidCon type of thing, but of her own, and I guess it was gonna be free and stuff, but a lot of people ended up going and nobody got free passes. Everybody was charged. Many people were waiting outside getting sunburned, and it was the same day that VidCon was actually happening, and from the start it was just a complete mess. But anyways, so after you are done spreading the pomade in your hair, you want to grab your brush and your blow dryer and just do the same thing you did as if you were drying your hair. So just grab your brush and your blow dryer and just do the same technique. So now that you guys are done blow drying your hair, you just want to grab your hairspray and spray your hair. Oh my god, guys, guess what? I just realized my birthday's in like 2 weeks or 3. And I'm gonna be 18. But yeah, back to the Shane Dawson thing. I guess he made his own video. Also, you guys be sure to check out Shane Dawson's videos. They're really like, they'll have your mind like super confused, and like they really get you thinking. Like, they're so crazy. Like, just the conspiracies he comes up with. Oh my gosh, they're like creepy. And you guys are probably like, Francisco, what the fuck are you? What are you hairspraying? You're not even hairspraying your hair. Yes, I hairspray my hair from far away because, I don't know, I just feel like it really gets in your hair. But many people want me to do it like this close, but I don't like that because then like your hair gets super hard and I don't like it. And the reason I bring it up is because my sister or anyone else is always like, why do you hairspray your hair from so far? Like, you're not even getting it in your hair. I'm like, girl, mind your own business. Like, I don't want my hair all crusty and hard like your guys' is. But yeah, I also feel like this hairspray gives you lots of volume to your hair, and the blow dryer also adds more volume to your hair. And those are the things that make your hair super volumed and puffed up, I guess you can say. But yeah, this is the final result. This is how my hair comes out after I blow dry it and add hairspray. And I'm sorry to burst your guys' bubble or your whole conspiracy about how I do my hair, but it's super simple. Secret to all of this is a blow dryer. Literally, this blow dryer gets your hair super, it gives your hair lots and lots of volume. So the secret is a blow dryer. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I need ideas for next week's video because I'm not sure what I want to do yet, but be sure to comment. Also, share, like, dislike, I don't care. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.